Good morning, everyone, and happy International Women's Day. Every March, we come together to celebrate the achievements of women around the world. Today, we're here to help you invest in your future. Because when we think of the term invest, it carries more than just financial connotations. We're talking about goals for the future in every respect.
At Moomoo, we have recently launched a study surveying thousands of women around the world. 89% of Singaporean women are making financial decisions in their relationships. This shows the confidence of Singaporean women in managing their families' financial futures. It's incredibly inspiring to know that over 54% of Singaporeans dedicate more than an hour each day to research, study, and expand their knowledge about investing. This shows the commitment of Singaporean women overcoming challenges and seizing opportunities in the financial markets.
In your current role, right, what are some of the challenges that you typically face and how do you overcome that?
So let's first of all thinking very positively, unapologetically thinking you're beautiful, you're smart, you're capable. Right, what you can bring onto the table, your value, and if people can see it, okay, you're doing a great job, then you can expand more, then you can add on more responsibilities. So it's still a very fair system, right? They don't judge you by your lady, your man, very little, unless the job nature require a male, then it's a different thing, but it's not in the banking industry, not much.
It's important that my money is out there working for me, not just how much money I have in the bank, but okay, can I take out a portion for, say, real estate, and then I know that, okay, I'm secure in real estate, then a portion of it goes into equities, investments. At least your money's out there somewhere working for you. So I think that's important to me, that I'm not just contributing money to the bank, and let's be real, right? It's going to be eroded by inflation.
The needs of women in society are evolving and changing at a rapid pace. I feel that women can have sort of the first mover advantage when it comes to investing. So these are the niche areas that women can step up to say that, hey, this is a greater need for society, especially along the themes of ESG investing. And I think this company or this sector or even this business idea, right, is going to be something that will benefit society as a whole, right? And this is where I think it's very important for the ladies to actually drive society towards that direction.
Over the last few years, there's more awareness about bridging the gender gap when it comes to investment. We look forward to hosting more events like this, where we give face time to our clients and we can share ideas. This is exactly to the point or the vision of Moomoo, making investment not alone.
This is all about community, right? So I think an event like this today helps us all come together and share our learning experiences. This journey is very, very important for women.
3 B's, like what I shared earlier, break that inertia, right? Inertia is very strong, but break it, take your first step forward. Second one would be confident. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't be afraid of failures. It will always happen. Failures always happen, and failures will make us stronger. And the third point is to buddy up. Find someone, find a buddy up, and start together. And you'll find that it's much easier than doing this on your own.
Start soon, because if not you, who's going to take charge of your own future?
The future is ours to shape, because when women thrive, we all thrive. Our time is now.